There were times when the sky would bring me nothing except smell of the wind outside. So I left my window open just to let you come inside. Saying that you'd never leave me was a lie.
There were times that my eyes were filled with water, but all the world was desert dry. So I hugged my pillow closer and I tried to close my eyes, but the sound of distant thunder made me cry.
Let it rain. For you again, I let it rain.
I hear the sound of the breathing in the darkness. And mountain rain can turn to snow in the night.
The sleeping this September, but it's the final line. Just in case you feel like coming, run again. Baby,
rain, I hear you at my window. Baby, rain, I need you softly falling on my face. Why did the sunshine come and take you away?
let it rain. I hear you at my window. Let it rain. I need you softly falling on my face.
Why did the sunshine come and take you away? With you again, I
Let it rain. Sunshine come and take you away before you wake up.